In this video, I show you how to easily create realistic mockup template in Photoshop. Now, let's dive into Photoshop where the magic happens. Now, select the image layer and go to Toolbar and select Object Selection Tool and set Mode Lasso. Now, make selection and go to Layer Panel and click on Adjustment Layer icon and select Solid Color and choose your color and hit OK. Now, select Solid Color Layer and press Ctrl+J for Make Duplicate Layer and hold Ctrl key and click on Mask and make selection. Now, hide the duplicate solid color layer and select Image Layer and now, go to Toolbar and select Polygonal Lasso Tool and make selection following these steps. Click on Adjustment Layer icon and select Solid Color and choose your color and hit OK. Select these two solid color layers and press Ctrl+G and make group and name this group color. Now, create lights and shadows, select Image Layer and right-click and select Duplicate and name it. And repeat the steps 3 times. Select these duplicate image layers and group them and name this group FX. Click on Color Group folder and click on Solid Color Layer Mask and hold Alt key and drag on FX Group folder. And now, open FX Group folder and following these steps. Select Lights layer and go to Image and then Adjustments and select Levels, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl+L and following these steps. Hit OK. Now, we have Create Lights and Shadows. And now, you can change into different color as your choice and Adjustment Lights and Shadows. Now, we are Create Placeholder, where we can put our design. So let's start. Go to Toolbar and select Rectangle Tool and draw on canvas. And select Rectangle Layer and change name and placeholder. And right-click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Now reduce opacity and press Ctrl+T. And right-click on selected layer and select Distort. And following steps. Right-click on and select Warp. And go to Warp Options and select Cylinder and adjusts according to Mockup. Now increase opacity and select FX Group Folder Mask and hold Alt key and drag on Placeholder Layer and drag the Smart Object layer below the FX Group folder. Double-click on Smart Object layer and put your design or type your text. And now save document using shortcut key, press Ctrl+S. Now, following the last steps for creating background and shadows. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this tutorial video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.